Hello, welcome to this Protastructure Masterclass design course. In this course, we designed a 7-story commercial office building, and we made use of the structural elements that are being used. We used the columns, the slab, the beams, the shear walls, and we used the pile foundation for this design. This structure, we used the pile foundation. Well, for the sake of knowledge sake, we also did a part foundation alongside, so that students will know how to also design the part foundation on Protastructure. You can see the pile is not on all part of the building. That is because we did part of it and allowed our student to do the rest of them. So this is it here. These are our shear walls. These are the elevators, and this is the architectural plan that was used for this building. You can see, and this is the this is the plan. This is the plan, the ground floor. This was we exported this plan directly from AutoCAD to Protastructure, exported directly using DXF file. So this is it here. And after our analysis, to check if all of your members have passed the design, you just come to this place here. That's we come to design status. I will check, click on OK. All of our structural members are green. All of our structural members are green. This tells you that the design has passed. As you can see, everything is green. You can see this is the legend here, design status. Red, if you see red, if you see any of the structural member red, it tells you that the member has failed. If you see yellow, it tells you that it's warning to soon fail. If you see expired, if you see green, it tells you that the design is okay, which you can see here. If you see white, it tells you that it's not designed. If you see blue, it tells you that it is not designed. So this is it here. This is our design. Let's see. So when you register for the Protastructure Masterclass course, it will take you step by step on this, from installation of the video with our support centers to going through the courses, over 30 something videos, and we take you step by step, and you create this building. All of the load, the dead load, the live load, everything has been calculated. The analysis is done perfectly. You see all of that in our video, starting from the roof to the foundation. Everything has been done okay. We show this architectural plan at the beginning of this record. So when you register for the Protastructure Masterclass course, you get all of this, and you get yourself started with your Protastructure. Very easy to go. So we just go out of this. Click on OK. So these are our model. So Protastructure is one of the leading tool in structural analysis and design as of now, and it gives you design of both concrete and steel structure. Mind you, this course also include design of steel. So after you've taken the Protastructure Masterclass course on the concrete aspect, the steel structure will also come later, but you're not paying for the steel. Once you just register for the course, you start with the concrete. Immediately you're done with the concrete, you start with the steel without paying a dime. You can see we also design the staircase. You can see we have, from the floor plan, we have two staircases here to design. We only did this, and our student will do this. Very easy to do with using the Protastructure. You can see the interface is easy, so you can see. So let's go to our floor plan. Okay, plan view. So this is the plan view. This is your story 00 plan view. When you register for the course, all of this I explained. All of these story level I explained. All of the views. You can see this is our slab strip, detailing of our slab. You can see how it is. Tells you the reinforcement you use. That's our story 1, this is story 2, story 3, story 4, story 5, story 6, story 7. So you can see story 7 is basically the elevator house and the staircase house. So that is it. Let's go back to this. So let's go back to 3D view. So that is it. When you register for the Protastructure course, you get all of this and you start working on Protastructure. So we've seen that all the design pass. So we can even come to here. This is a concrete design. Click on it. Now we can decide to check, or let's check for column design sections. You can see all of our columns pass. All of our columns pass. You can see for column 1C1, this is the first floor. These are columns on the first floor. You can see the green tick means it passed. It gives you also the reinforcement alongside. You can see everything is here. Everything is here. You can close it, and you can also get the your sheet there. Sorry, let's go back to column. You can also extract your design to PDF. You can export them to PDF depending on how you want to save them. Export them to sorry, this was steel concrete. So this is beam reinforcement. Okay, story beams. You can see our beams still pass. Everything pass. Basically the beams used for this design are deep beams. I'm sure you understand what I mean by deep beams. So you can see. So that is it. So that is all. When you register for the Protastructure Masterclass course, you get all of this. Everything is explained. Close to 35 videos on this. It's not easy. Everything, the whole of Protastructure is explained using this model, and you really love it. So when you're done with this, it's just to come to your this is it. Sorry. So this is it. So come to Prota Detail. Come to Prota Detail and get our detail drawings. We've already analyzed and designed our structure. Now when you install the Protastructure software, it comes with a Prota Detail package, a very high intelligent software that gives you the precise detailing of your structural element alongside with their scheduling, the stirrup arrangement and everything. So this, once you open the Prota Detail, you come to the model you're working on, which is this. So you've worked on another model, click on OK, and it's loading to Prota Detail. Do you want to save changes? Yes. So this is it. Okay, so you can see our staircase. We've done staircase already. Let's just open and see. We've done staircase design already. This is it here. You can see. So let's come to now. How do you? It tells you step by step on. You create your drawings step by step, like story first floor. Each floor you create the drawing. So let's come to here. So this is a column. So let's create for the whole story. But if you want to be creating one by one, just untick these ones here. So let's click on draw. So we are drawing for the whole story now. The whole story, the column for the whole story. Draw. So you locate a point where you want to paste. So I'll just click on here. These are our columns. These are our columns here. You can see our detail columns here. The cross section and the longitudinal section for the floor. Protastructure is generating everything. Protastructure gives you the material, gives you the detailing, gives you the quantity, gives you the stirrup arrangement. It's really good. It also gives you the necessary information you need for your projects. This is the stirrup arrangement, gives you scheduling, and tells you about the code that was used in the design, which is this. There is a code. We use Eurocode for this design. So this is it. So you can see this is it. It's going to load for the whole floors, so we don't really have that much time. So I'll just exit out of here. This is our column. This is the cross-sectional area. This is the stirrup arrangement. So I'll just come back to the Protastructure. So this is model. So let's just quickly do something. So open project. Let's just create on new. Just try to do this little thing new. So you specify your project, you specify the name you want to use. This name has already been used, so I can just use masterclass 001. Remember, space doesn't work on this place. Space doesn't work, so click on OK. So we use zero code. These are the templates. We use zero code. Click on import, and this is a fresh drawing. So very quickly, let's just specify, let's just add, let's just do a very small model here, very small. So we'll add grid lines. We'll tell you in our master class, you learn everything about our grid lines. So this is it, orthogonal Z generator mode. Just click on OK. So this is it. So add these are columns, these are beams. We add beams. Once you click on the beam icon, this is the beam. Let's just leave everything like that. So just click on this, click on this. If you register for the masterclass course, all of this will be specified there, the load, everything. So this is it. So just trying to make a very beam crossing, okay, beam crossing, yes. So take this to this side, yes. So escape. So this is it. So let's check it. We've done with beam. Let's check it in 3D view. 3D view. You can see these are our beams. You can see this. So let's go back to our floor plan. We can just divide the window to be two places, so that we'll be seeing what we are doing. So you can see this is 3D view. So let's add columns for this design. So let's just leave this column like that. Okay. So we just add everything here. So you can see our columns have been added. So exit. Our columns have been added. You can see. Let's add our slab. Tell you everything about slab. We are okay with this. Let's take it to 150. And loading, let's specify the loading. Dead load, let's use 1.5. then let's say domestic use, let's take it to residential. Okay, let's just take to domestic use. So just add everything, just add our slabs. Okay, okay, so we'll figure that out, we'll do that later. So you can see this is it. So you can even change the color, layer color settings. You can change the color of our beams. The color of our beams is taking longer time to open. You can change the color of our beams. This is the column. You can say let the column be let the column be, you can say let the columns be what color, and then be red. Okay, columns be red. Let's say let the beams be, where are our beams? You can say let the beams, you can say let the beams be green. These are color layer settings. Now let the slab, you can see let the slab be blue. So click on OK and the effects appear. You can see this is it here. So let's go back to our, this is just a small. So from here, after we're done with our model, depending on the number of floors, we analyze and design. So let's, your real life contract, your real life project. Okay, Protastructure is loading. So this is the analysis. We'll specify our material properties here. For this video I won't do that, just cancel out. So this is it. So let's go back to our project, the one we use for the masterclass course. This is it here. okay, click on okay. So so these are projects. So thank you very much for purchasing the Protastructure Masterclass course, and we give you a period of mentorship. When you purchase the Protastructure Masterclass course, we add you to a group where our engineers have been added, and we give you a lifetime mentorship. Wherever you have challenge in doing some of the functions on the software, our support team will are there to help you out. Thank you very much.